Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have gathered here today, organized by the East Turkestan Government in Exile, the East Turkestan National Fund, the East Turkestan National Movement, and the East Turkestan Parliament in Exile, to mark a tragic anniversary and to issue a call to action. Today, October 12th, is a national day of mourning for East Turkestan. Before we start, we'd like to start with the playing of the East Turkestan National Anthem. Good afternoon again, ladies and gentlemen. 76 years ago, 11 days after declaring the so-called People's Republic of China, Chinese Communist forces invaded the independent nation of East Turkestan on October 12, 1949. And just 2 months later, they overthrew our independent East Turkestan Republic on December 22nd, 1949, beginning a relentless campaign of occupation, colonization, and genocide. Since that day, millions of Uyghurs, Kazakhs, Kyrgyz, and other East Turkestanis have been killed through systematic massacres, mass execution, and other acts of genocide. Today, at this very moment, millions of East Turkestanis continue to endure imprisonment in prisons and concentration camps, enslavement in forced labor factories, forced sterilization, mass rape and sexual violence, and the forced abduction of over 1 million of our children. Thousands of religious and cultural sites across East Turkestan have been destroyed. Tens of thousands of our youth are killed every year for China's organ harvesting. This is not just history. This is an ongoing campaign of genocide rooted in China's invasion of East Turkestan 76 years ago on October 12, 1949. We want to take this opportunity to commend President Trump for his recent action in raising tariffs against China. That courage has shaken the Chinese empire, which is built on lies, theft, and aggression. By doing so, he has reminded the world that strength and principles still matter. But we must warn that any attempt to negotiate any type of deal with China will not protect America. Every agreement China has ever signed has been broken, Every promise that China has been made has been nothing but lies. Every concession given to the Chinese has fueled China's rise, emboldened its aggression, and worsened the suffering of tens of millions, from those under Chinese occupation to including millions of Americans here in the United States. Appeasement is not strategy, it is surrender. China is not merely a rival to the United States. It seeks to completely replace the United States as the leader of the world. China is nothing but a colonial empire, a predator cloaked in propaganda and deception, and a threat to every nation, including the United States. As we speak, China continues to kill countless Americans through fentanyl and other drugs. China continues to steal American technology and data, including the personal information of hundreds of millions of Americans. China continues to undermine American jobs, and it is actively working to acquire strategic American land. China's aggression does not stop at the borders of East Turkestan. It is a systematic, far-reaching, and relentless. The same tactics used to invade, occupy, and enslave the people of East Turkestan, propaganda, repression, and terror, are the tactics of a rising empire. And make no mistake, because the United States has unfortunately allowed China to continue unchecked, these tactics have already reached American soil. The tragedy of East Turkestan is a warning to the United States and the whole of the international community. History repeats itself when courage falters and tyranny is left unchallenged. The root of China's ongoing genocide in East Turkestan is very clear: Chinese occupation and colonization of East Turkestan. There can be no justice, no peace, no freedom in any part of the world while this Chinese occupation continues. There can be no security for any nation while the Chinese colonial empire consolidates power unchecked. Supporting the restoration of East Turkestan's independence is not an act of charity. It is wisdom, it is strategy, it is moral clarity. A restored, free, and independent East Turkestan will be a reliable partner for peace, trade, and security, not only to the United States, but all freedom-loving nations. It will weaken China's colonial empire, strengthen the rule of law, and uphold the values that make America and the free world great. By standing with East Turkestan, the United States safeguards its own interests and affirms its role as a leader of the free world. The lesson of East Turkestan is stark. Tyranny thrives when the world hesitates. The United States has a choice. It can continue down the path of appeasement, ignoring the lessons of history and risking the spread of Chinese American to the American people and to the American soil. Or it can stand boldly with truth, justice, and liberty. Supporting East Turkestan, again, is not only a moral imperative, it is a strategic necessity. It honors the victims of genocide, strengthens American security, protects American jobs and technology, and upholds the principles upon which the United States of America was founded. The people of East Turkestan have endured decades of suffering, yet we remain unbroken, resolute, and committed to restoring the freedom and independence of our nation. Our struggle is not only for ourselves, it is a warning, a lesson, and a call to action to the free world, to the United States of America. The United States has the power to turn this lesson into leadership, into strategy, to confront aggression with courage, and to ensure that the values of liberty, justice, and human dignity and freedom prevail. The time for courage is now. We call on the United States and President Trump to stand with East Turkestan. We call on the United States to lead the free world in recognizing East Turkestan as an occupied country and calling for an end to China's prolonged campaign of colonization, genocide, and occupation, as well as supporting the East Turkestani people's just struggle for decolonization, national self-determination, and the restoration of their independence. We call on the United States and President Trump to stand for freedom, to stand for justice, to stand for truth, to stand with East Turkestan to safeguard the future of America. Let the memory of those lost on October 12th and every day since ignite our resolve. Let East Turkestan rise free and independent once again. And let the light of justice shine brightly and waving across the world. Thank you. Now we will be facing the White House to issue some chants. Saray taraf. China's committing genocide in East Turkestan.
China's coming to genocide in Turkistan.
Stop China's genocide.
Stop China's genocide.
China is occupying East Turkestan.
China is occupying East Turkistan.
Stop the Chinese occupation of East Turkestan.
Stop occupation of East Turkistan.
China is colonizing East Turkestan. Stop Chinese colonization of East Turkestan. Terrorist China. End the genocide. Fascist China. End the colonization. Imperialist China. End the occupation. East Turkestan is not part of China. East Turkestan is not China's internal affair. Recognize East Turkestan. Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. Support East Turkestan's independence. Support East Turkestan's independence. Call it East Turkestan, not Xinjiang.
Call East Turkistan, not Xinjiang.
Call it East Turkestan, not Xinjiang.
Call it East Turkistan, not Xinjiang.
Chinese occupation must end now. Chinese occupation must end now. Restoring East Turkestan's independence is the only way. Restoring independence is the only way. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with imperialist China. No deal with imperialist China. Stop enabling China's crimes. Stop enabling China's crimes. Decolonize the Chinese empire. Decolonize the Chinese empire. Resist Chinese imperialism! Resist Chinese imperialism!
I don't sit, so I don't sit much. I can sit.
Independence!
I can never.
Restore East Turkistan's independence! China's killing Americans with fentanyl! China's killing Americans with fentanyl! China's stealing American technology! China's stealing American technology! China's buying up American land! China's buying up American land! China's stealing American data! China's stealing American data! China's stealing American jobs! China's stealing American jobs! China's the number one threat to America! China is the number one threat to America! China is the number one threat to freedom! China is the number one threat to freedom! China is the number one threat to the world! China is the number one threat to the world! America, act now! America, act now! Stop Chinese aggression! Stop Chinese aggression! America, act now! Stop China's genocide! Stop China's genocide! America, act now! Stop China's genocide! America, act now! End China's genocide! America, act now! End China's genocide! America, act now! Stop Chinese imperialism! America, act now! Stop Chinese imperialism! America, act now! Stop Chinese occupation! America, act now! Stop Chinese occupation! America, act now! Stand for freedom! America, act now! Stand for freedom! America, act now! Stand with East Turkistan! America, act now! Stand with East Turkistan! America, act now! Stand for East Turkistan! America, act now! Call it East Turkistan, not Xinjiang! America, act now! Call it East Turkistan, not Xinjiang! America, act now! Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country! America, act now! Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. America, act now. Condemn Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. America, act now. Condemn Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. America, act now. Support East Turkestan's independence. America, act now. Support East Turkestan's independence. China is committing genocide in East Turkestan. China is committing genocide in East Turkestan. Stop China's genocide in East Turkestan. Stop China's genocide in East Turkestan. China is occupying East Turkestan. China is occupying East Turkestan. Stop Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. Stop Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. China is colonizing East Turkestan. China is colonizing East Turkestan. Stop Chinese colonization of East Turkestan. Stop Chinese colonization of East Turkestan. Terrorist China. End the genocide. Terrorist China. End the genocide. Fascist China. End the colonization. Fascist China. End the colonization. Imperialist China. End the occupation. Imperialist China. End the occupation. East Turkestan is not a part of China. East Turkestan is not a part of China. East Turkestan is not China's internal affairs. East Turkestan is not China's internal affairs. Recognize East Turkestan. Recognize East Turkestan. Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. Support East Turkestan's independence. Support East Turkestan's independence. Support the restoration of independence. Support the restoration of independence. Call East Turkestan, not Xinjiang. Call it East Turkestan, not Xinjiang. Chinese occupation must end now. Chinese occupation must end now. Restoring independence is the only way. Restoring independence is the only way. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with imperialist China. No deal with imperialist China. Stop enabling China's crimes. Stop enabling China's crimes. Decolonize the Chinese empire. Decolonize the Chinese empire. Resist Chinese imperialism. Resist Chinese imperialism. Restore East Turkistan's independence. Restore East Turkistan's independence. China's killing Americans with fentanyl. China's killing Americans with fentanyl. China's stealing American technology. China's stealing American technology. China's buying up American land. China's buying up American land. China's stealing American data. China's stealing American data. China's stealing American jobs. China's stealing American jobs. China's the #1 threat to America. China's the #1 threat to America. China's the #1 threat to freedom. China's the #1 threat to freedom. China's the #1 threat to the world. China's the #1 threat to the world. Stand up against Chinese imperialism. Stand up against Chinese imperialism. Stand up against Chinese colonialism. Stand up against Chinese colonialism. Stand up against Chinese expansion. Stand up against Chinese expansion. Terrorist China.
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China.
Terrorist China!
China, stop the genocide.
China, stop the genocide!
China, stop the genocide.
China, stop the genocide!
Fascist China.
Fascist China!
Fascist China.
Fascist China!
China and the colonization.
China and the colonization!
China and the colonization.
China and the colonization!
Imperialist China.
China!
Imperialist China.
China!
China and the occupation.
China and the occupation!
China and the occupation.
China and the occupation!
No deal with terrorist China.
China!
No deal with terrorist China.
China!
No deal with fascist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with imperialist China. No deal with imperialist China. Don't enable China's crimes. Don't enable China's crimes. Decolonize the Chinese Empire. Decolonize the Chinese Empire. Resist Chinese imperialism. Resist Chinese imperialism. Restore East Turkistan's independence. Restore East Turkistan's independence. China's killing Americans with fentanyl. China's killing Americans with fentanyl. China's stealing American technology. China's stealing American technology. China's buying up American land. China's buying up American land. China's stealing American data. China's stealing American data. China's stealing American jobs. China's the #1 threat to America. China's the #1 threat to America. China's the #1 threat to freedom. China's the #1 threat to freedom. China's the #1 threat to the world. China's the #1 threat to the world. America, act now. Stop Chinese aggression. President Trump, act now. Stop Chinese aggression. America, act now. Stop China's genocide. President Trump, act now. Stop China's genocide. America, act now. Stop China's colonization. President Trump, act now. Stop Chinese colonization. America, act now. End China's genocide. President Trump, act now. End China's genocide. America, act now. Stop Chinese expansion. President Trump, act now. Stop Chinese expansion. America, act now. Stop Chinese imperialism. President Trump, act now. Stop Chinese imperialism. America, act now. Stand for freedom. President Trump, act now. Stand for freedom. America, act now. Stand with East Turkistan. President Trump, act now. Stand with East Turkestan. America, act now. Recognize East Turkestan. President Trump, act now. Recognize East Turkestan. America, act now. Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. President Trump, act now. Recognize East Turkestan as an occupied country. America, act now. Condemn Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. President Trump, act now. Condemn Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. America, act now. Support East Turkestan's independence. President Trump, act now. Support East Turkestan's independence. America, act now. No deal with terrorist China. President Trump, act now. No deal with terrorist China. America, act now. No deal with fascist China. President Trump, act now. No deal with fascist China. America, act now. No deal with imperialist China. America, act now. No deal with imperialist China. President Trump, act now. No deal with imperialist China. America, act now. Decolonize the Chinese Empire. President Trump, act now. Decolonize the Chinese Empire. America, act now. Resist Chinese imperialism. President Trump, act now. Resist Chinese imperialism. America, act now. Restore East Turkestan's independence. America, act now. Restore East Turkestan's independence. President Trump, act now. Restore East Turkestan's independence. Restore East Turkestan's independence. China is the #1 threat to America. China is the #1 threat to America. China is the #1 threat to freedom. China is the #1 threat to freedom. China is the #1 threat to the world. China is the #1 threat to the world. Stop terrorist China.
Stop terrorist China!
Stop terrorist China.
Stop terrorist China!
Stop fascist China.
Stop fascist China!
Stop fascist China.
Stop fascist China!
Stop imperialist China! Stop imperialist China! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our event in the English language. I'd like to finish our event with a message to our global diaspora in the Uyghur language. Assalamu alaikum barliq Sharq Turkistonlik qarindoshlar. Bugün biz Avstraliyaning oldida Sharq Turkistonni Xitoy tajovuz qilib kirgan kunni xotirlash bilan va la'natlash bilan bu yerda namoyish qildik va namoyish qilyapmiz. Gerçi dünyanın her qaysi joylarida 10 ayning birini Xitoy ularninki Sharq Turkistonni besib olgan kuni deb ta'tir teşvikatlar ve bilmey namoyishlar qilingan bo'lsa-mu, Xitoy tajovuzchilarninki Sharq Turkiston ziminiga resmiy besib kirgan kuni bugun. Yani 76 yıl ilgari 10 ayning birinchisida 1949 yılda Xitoyning ichida hakimiyet özgeriş bo'lib, Xitoyning ichki urushi arasida millatchi Xitoylar bilan komünist Xitoylar, yani Kuomintang bilan Gomsandangning arasida urush oxirlashib, kommunistlar g'alaba qilib, atalmış Xitoy Xalq Cumhuriyetini e'lon qilgan. Lekin ular Xitoy kommunistlar hakimiyetini e'lon qilgan kunida Xitoy kommunistlarininki Sharq Turkiston zaminida hech qanday huquqiy, hech qanday admi yo'qdi. Aksincha Sharq Turkiston mustaqil bir davlat edi. Va Xitoy kommunistlari atalmış Xitoy Xalq Cumhuriyetini e'lon qilib 11 kundan keyin, ya'ni 10 ayning 12 kuni Xitoy kommunist tajovuzchilar kuchlari Sharq Turkiston zaminiga qurolli besib kirgan kun. Ya'ni besib kirdi. Va besib kirgan taqdirda davlatimizni ishg'ol qilmadik. O vaqtda ishg'ol qilgan kun emas. 2 oydan keyin 12 ayning 22 kuni 1949 yili Xitoy kommunist tajovuzchilari Sharq Turkistonga besib kirib, mustaqil Sharq Turkiston Cumhuriyetini ag'dirib va Sharq Turkistonninki eng oxirgi rayini bo'lgan Xotin viloyatini ishg'ol qilgan kuni Xitoy resmiy Sharq Turkistonni ishg'ol qilgan kuni shudir. Ammo hech bir vaqt Sharq Turkiston xalqi mustaqillikni aslo keltirish, bu ishg'olchilarga qarshilik berishni to'xtab qolgani yo'q. 76-yilda Sharq Turkistonning xalqi meyli Sharq Turkiston ichida, meyli qurolli harakat orqali bo'lsin, meyli partizanlik harakatlari orqali bo'lsin, meyli namoyishlar va boshqa turli vositalar bilan qarshilikni berib keldi va davomli bermoqda. Va chet elda, vatanning sirtidami, Sharq Turkistonning sirtidami 76 yilning yozi Sharq Turkiston xalqi bu ishg'oliyatga, bu tajovuzchilikqa va bu tajovuzchilikdan kelib chiqqan ishg'oliyatga qarshi izchil harakat qilib kelmoqda. Biz hech bir vaqt mustaqilligimizni aslo keltirish mecburiyetimizden, davayımızdan voz kechganimiz yo'q. Va Xitoy 70 yıl ilgari Sharq Turkistonga atalmış avtonomiya qalpiqini pichgan bo'lsa-mu, Sharq Turkiston xalqi, Sharq Turkistonning ichidagi xalq bu atalmış avtonomiyani red qilganligini, qabul qilmaydiganligini va Sharq Turkiston Cumhuriyetining mustaqilligini asli keltirishining birdan bir talab qildigan nishon ekanligini xalqaroga, ham Xitoy tajovuzchilariga, ishg'olchilarga, ham xalqaroga bildirdi. Hatta buni Xitoyninki o'zininki shu vaqtda nurg'un rahbarlarimizni eksen quloqcha aqchiko'kchi deb turmaloq sudib o'ltirilgan vaqt, qilgan vaqtda mushunda nishoni boti deb o'zining xabarlaridimi dunyoga buni jakarlab berdi. Ya'ni Sharq Turkiston xalqining hech bir vaqt har qanday Xitoy hukmronligini, ishg'oliyatini mustamlakasini, mayli kommunist bo'lamdi, mayli demokratçısı bo'lamdi, milletçisi bo'lamdi, mayli atalmış din ostida kelib biz musulmon deb islomiy bo'lamdi, boshqa nim bo'lamdi, hech qanday Xitoy tajovuzchilarininki işgalçılarınınki işgaliyetini, mustamlikçilikini, her kandak hükümranlıkını Şarkı Türkistan halkı hiç kandak kabul kılmaydı, herkes kabul kılmaydı ve devamlık izcil şekilde bunun karşı hareket etmekte. Aziz qarindoshlar, bizga aldığımızda en ahirki fırsat, bu millet için en ahirki fırsat aldığımızda kelyapti. Bunun için biz tayyor turishimiz kerak. En aldı bilen tiyatruş, bu tiyatruş hepimiz pakiz buluş gerek aziz qarindoshlar. Hakiki dava qilishimiz gerek aziz qarindoshlar. Biz kişilik hukuk davasını qilmayapmiz yalğız. Bizningki davlatimizning mustaqilligini asli keltirmay turib, bizning ne kişilik hukukimiz, ne inson haqlarimiz, ne diniy haqlarimiz, ne insondek yashash mavjudligimizni kafolat qilmaymiz aziz qarindoshlar. Bizning birdan-bir qutulish yo'limiz Sharq Turkistonning mustaqilligini asli keltirish va davlatimizni qaytadan abadiy tiklash aziz qarindoshlar. Bundan boshqa yo'l yo'q. Biz haqlardan umid kutib o'tmaylik. Ya'ni haqlardan umid kutib o'tmaylik deganim akilib bizga yordam qilarmikin, makilib biz uchun o'ylab beramikin, aqilib biz uchun urush beramikin deb o'tamalarni untaylik qarindoshlar. Biz o'zimizga ega chiqmasak, boshqasi bizga ega chiqmaydi. Qur'onda mı deyildik? Bir millet özünü tüzmegiçe men ulanın üstündeki ahvalını tüzmeyim dep. Bizning ahvalimizni tüzeşinin birden bir yolu Allah'ın mu ve halkaranın kimi yardımını qo'lga keltirishning birden bir yolu özümüz hareket qilishimiz kerak aziz qarindoshlar. Özümüz haqiqiy davoni qilishimiz kerak aziz qarindoshlar. Özümüz kerak bo'lsa canimizni, milimizni, qilimizni, barlig'imizni, mustaqilligimizni asli keltirish uchun fido qila oladiganligimizni xalqaroga bildirishimiz kerak aziz qarindoshlar. Amerika yoki boshqasi kelib biz uchun urushib bermaydi. Urushadigan yana shu biz. Urushib vatanimizni ozod qiladigan yana shu biz. Davlatimizni qarshida asli keltiradigan yana shu biz. Shuning uchun biz bununla tayyor ekanligimizni, biz xalqaroninki yordamiga tayyor ekanligimizni bildirishimiz kerak aziz qarindoshlar. Shuning bilan yana deydiganimiz qarindoshlar, biz to'g'ri da'vo qilaylik. Mustaqillikdan boshqa yo'l yo'q ekanligini butun xalqaroga jakarlaylik aziz qarindoshlar. Qo'limizdan kelgan harakatni qilaylik aziz qarindoshlar. Shuni deydiganim. Va vaqt fursat kelgan chaqda shu daim eg'zimizni deb qo'ydigan biz Sharq Turkiston uchun janim pida bu pida deb ketimiz ya. Shuni amaliylashtiraylik. Amaliyleştirishning birinchi bosqichi mana shunday kunlarda xalqaroga bir ovoz bilan, bir shuar bilan, bir nishon bilan o'tirg'i chiqa olsak, undan keyin xalqaro, undan keyin Allohmu millat tuzilishga boshlabdi deb Allohning rahmati keladi va Alloh o'zi xalqaroning qaysi davlat orqali bizga yordam qilishni nasib qilsa, shu davlat orqali shu xalqaroning yordami bilan bizga keraklik yordamlarni, ya'ni bizga haqninki urushib berishini talab qilmaymiz biz. Bizga qandaq Amerika xalqaro boshqa millatlarninki o'zininki taqdirini o'zi belgilash va ularninki davlat qurish, davlatini asli keltirish hareketlerini qo'llagan bo'lsa, shu shaklda qo'llashini, qandaq Ukrainani Rus tajovuzchiligidan, Rus ishg'oliyatiga qarshi askeriy va boshqa moddiy va ma'naviy jihatdan yordam bergan bo'lsa, shunday yordamlarni talab qilamiz xalqarodan. Talabimiz mush bo'lishi kerak aziz qarindoshlar. Deydiganim yana shu aziz qarindoshlar, hammalarninki mushaga kelib chiqqan qarindoshlarning hammalaridan Alloh rozi bo'lsin. Hech bir vaqt Sharq Turkistonda bo'layotgan irqiy qirg'inchilik, mustamlika ve işgaliyetini unutmanız qarindoshlar. Hiçbir vakit Sharq Turkistonda qirilayotgan qarindoshlarimizni, analarimizni, ağaçlarimizni, atalarimizni, Xitoylashtirilish chiqib majburlanayotgan bolalarimizni, Xitoyning tajovuzchilikka duchor bo'layotgan och singil qarindoshlarimizni Kızlarımızı unutmayız karindaşlar. Ulanı kutkuzuş, ulanınki jıgılarını dünyaya anıltış, ular için hareket kılış, her bir Şarkı Türkistanlıkның mecburiyeti. Bu her birisimizдің mecburiyeti karindaşlar. Mecburiyetimizden kaçmayız karindaşlar. Ahırda bilen dua talep bilen gideyim. Allah'ım, ulug' Allah bizge, hammamizga birlik, barabarlik ato qilsin. Hammamizga haqiqiy vatan sevgisi, haqiqiy vatanparvarlik, haqiqiy iymon, haqiqiy aql farosat, haqiqiy vijdon, haqiqiy jasorat ato qilsin. Bizni hainlardan, münafıklardan, satqınlardan bilip bilmey milletimizge, vatanimizge, devletimizge, davayimizge hıyanet kılıştın, yamanlık kılıştın saklasın. Ve bizim katarımızın hainlarını, münafıklarını ve düşmanın casuslarını ve düşmanlarını jirak tutsun. Ve bizge öz panah edin. Düşmanlarımızı Şarkı Türkistan zemininden koğlap çıkarışka türlü askeri cihattin, manevi cihattin, maddi cihattin, siyasi cihattin, istihbarat cihattin her türlü yardımlarını kimler tarafından ivazsa öz panahiden ivazsın. Ve bizge şu kırılıvatkan 76 yılının yazı Şarkı Türkistan'da kırılgan neçe milyon kerendaşlarımızın, atıllarımızın, analarımızın, ağaçlarımızın, balalarımızın kırılgan şu milletinin hammasiga Firdevs cennet bilan ato qilsin, hammasiga shahodat ato qilsin. Bizningki bu milletning tarixda bilip bilmey qilgan gunohlari bo'lsa, barliq gunohlarimizni, shaxsan mushadik hammamizningki gunohlarimizni, ota-onalarimizningki, qarindoshlarimizningki, urug' tuqqan avlodlarimizningki, ajdodlarimizningki, umuman millatimizningki bilip bilmey qilgan barliq gunohlarni afv qilsin. Ve bizge öz panahidin azadlıkımızı, müstakillikimizni aslı keltirishkin tüzün nisip qilsin. Halkımızga, şöyle izlevatkan halkımızga jasorat ato qilsin. Artık bizdinki chidaydigan sabrimiz qolmadi ey Allah'ım. Bizge 76 yılının yaz yetti bu zulüm, bu ırkıy kırgınçılık, bu müstemleke. Bizge öz panahidin nusrat ato qil ya Rabbim. Öz panahidin bizge yardımlarını ivatke ya Rabbim. Bizge Şarkı Türkistan için güreş kılıp canımızdan, melimizden, barlığımızdan fida bulalaydıgan, senin razılığını istep, şöhret nemez, menfaat nemez, yalğız senin razılığını istep, yalğız şu Şarkı Türkistan'daki izlevatkan halkımızın ki kutuluşunu, müstakillikini, devletimiz yıkıtıp koygan devletimizin ki esirgi astidagi devletimizningki mustaqillik nasıl keltirish, egilik hukukimizni bizga qaytirib bergaysan ya Rabbim. Devletimizni şu tarixdan bizga miros qilgan bu devletninki egilik hukukini bizga qaytadan muyassar qilgaysan ya Rabbim. Amin. Canım bir short yoldan da tok.
Bravo. Hani tuttum.
Short olamda yani benim tutum. Tamam. Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
Terrorist China!
China in the genocide!
China in the genocide!
China in the genocide!
China in the genocide!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
China in the colonization!
China in the colonization!
China in the colonization! Imperialist China!
Terrorist China!
Imperialist China!
Terrorist China!
China in the occupation!
China in the occupation!
China in the occupation!
China in the occupation!
East Turkestan is not a part of China!
East Turkistan now belongs China!
East Turkestan is not a part of China!
East Turkistan now belongs China!
East Turkestan is not China's internal affairs!
East Turkistan now China's economy!
East Turkestan is not China's internal affairs. Recognize East Turkestan. Recognize East Turkestan. Support East Turkestan's independence. Support East Turkestan's independence. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with terrorist China. No deal with fascist China. No deal with imperialist China. No deal with imperialist China. Resist Chinese imperialism. Resist Chinese imperialism. Restore East Turkestan's independence. Restore East Turkestan's independence. China's killing Americans with fentanyl. China is stealing American technology. China is buying up American land. China is stealing American data. China is stealing American jobs. China is the number one threat to America. China is the number one threat to freedom. China is the number one threat to the world. America, act now. Stop Chinese aggression. America, act now. Stop Chinese colonization. America, act now. Stop Chinese imperialism. America, act now. Stop Chinese occupation. America, act now. Stop China's genocide. America, act now. Stand with East Turkestan. America, act now. Stand with East Turkestan. America, act now. Condemn Chinese occupation of East Turkestan. America, act now. Support East Turkestan's independence. Thank you. Demonstration has ended.
Thank you.